Court of Appeal resolves Rivers political crisis. You are welcome to our channel. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. As the Court of Appeal prepares to deliver judgment on the political crisis in Rivers State, Nigerians are looking forward to objective and substantial ruling that can bring an end to the lingering disputes. It is no longer news that the Special Court of Appeal panel set up to adjudicate on the political cases in Rivers State has reversed judgment in the consolidated appeals arising from the judgments of the Federal High Courts in Abuja. The presiding justice of the Court of Appeal, Abuja Division, Justice Hama Barika, reserved the judgments after hearing argument from parties and their addresses adopted by counsels. Already, the indigenes of the states and Nigerians at large are waiting with bated breath and anxiety. But the question bothering the people of Rivers State and Nigerians generally is, how exactly will the court resolve the case to ensure that there is peace in the state? Specifically, they want to know how the appellate court will resolve the issues on the defection of the 27 members of the State House of Assembly from the PDP, People's Democratic Party, to the APC, All Progressive Congress, which is at the root of the dispute. After the failed attempt to impeach Governor Siminalayi Fubara, President Bola Tinubu had brokered peace in the state. As part of the agreement reached, Governor Fubara and the Martin Ewuale faction of the State Assembly were to withdraw all their cases pending in court. However, Fubara's loyalists alleged that while the governor withdrew his suit, the Amewile faction refused to follow suit, resulting in a multiplicity of judgments in their favor against the governor. Their actions, according to the governor's loyalists, led the governor to believe that he was ambushed. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. Following the defection of the 27 lawmakers, the ADC-NAHI-led faction of the State House of Assembly emerged and declared the seats of the defected 27 members vacant. It later called on the Independent National Electoral Commission to immediately conduct elections to fill their seats. Since then, Victor Kujumbo, who later succeeded a year as the Speaker of the four-member PDP-led State Assembly, has been calling on INEC to fill the seats of the defected lawmakers. It was against this background that Ewuale went to court, and on January 22nd, and Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court in Abuja affirmed him as the Speaker of the Assembly despite their defection. The judge then nullified the 2024 Rivers State budget on the grounds that it was not presented before members of the State Assembly as required by the law. It was also as a result of this that Justice Joyce Abdul Malik of the Federal High Court in Abuja delivered a judgment on October 30th, stopping the Central Bank of Nigeria from further releasing monthly financial allocation to the Rivers State government. The court held that the receipt and disbursement of monthly allocation since January this year by Governor Fubara is a constitutional somersault and aberration that must not be allowed to continue. Do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Justice Abdul Malik held that the presentation of the 2024 budget by Fubara before a four-member State Assembly was an affront to the constitutional provision. The judge specifically held that Fubara's action in implementing unlawful budgets marked gross violation of the 1999 Constitution he swore to protect, and consequently restrained the Apex Bank, the Accountant General of the Federation, Zenith Bank, and Access Bank from further allowing Fubara to access money from the Consolidated Revenue and Federal Federation account. He also stated that the actions of the four members of the State Assembly now led by Okojumbo had already been nullified by the Abuja Division of the Court of Appeal. According to the judge, the Rivers State High Court's ruling, which empowered the governor to implement the 2024 budget, has also been overturned by the Court of Appeal. She added that the appropriation bill for January to December 2024 currently being operated by the governor is illegal An evaluation of the 1999 Constitution as it was not passed by the lawful House of Assembly. The defection of Ahmed Wule and other lawmakers who are loyalists of the Minister of Federal Capital Territory, Wike, was celebrated with fanfare in the state. In a letter read by his deputy, Dumle Mao Amaewule had openly announced their defection, predicating on the division within the PDP. Also, in a witness statement on oath, he filed and deposed to in their suit marked PHE/21771/CS/12024 against INEC, PDP, the Rivers State House of Assembly, Clerk of Rivers State House of Assembly, Inspector General of Police, and the Department of State Services (DSS). He clearly admitted that the 27 legislators defected from the PDP. For instance, Section 109, subsection 1G of the 1999 Constitution states, a member of the House of Assembly shall vacate his seat in the House if being a person whose election to the House of Assembly was sponsored by a political party, he becomes a member of another political party before the expiration of the period for which that House was elected. The subsection goes further to state, provided that his membership of the latter party is not as a result of a division in the political party of which he was previously a member, or of a merger of two or more political parties or factions by one in which he was previously sponsored. Specifically, in a 22-paragraph witness statement on oath dated May 15, 2024, Amaewule stated that faced with the state of uncertainty and confusion in the PDP, second defendant, caused by the division in the political party, we were constrained to defect and join the APC on the 11th December 2023. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. He further stated, I am aware that the plaintiffs were duly elected to represent their various state constituencies at the Rivers State House of Assembly on the platform of the PDP, and I remain members of the PDP until 11 December 2023, when they, the plaintiffs, left PDP and joined the APC as a result of division and fractionalization in the leadership of the PDP. That the second defendant had been threatening to ensure that our seat at the Rivers State House of Assembly be declared vacant by any means, whether lawful or unlawful. That unless the House Honorable Court intervenes, the Honorable Court intervenes, the defendant will unlawfully declare our seat vacant, withdraw our certificates of return, and prevent us from carrying out our constitutional duties and functions as honorable members of the third defendant. Nigerians are optimistic that the Court of Appeal will address the issue with objective and substantial justice in order to bring peace to the state. Don't forget to like, to share, and also to comment. Thank you.